The last piece you need to do before using your shower is to calibrate the thermostat. So to do that, you remove your cap from the handle to access your screw. Then just remove the screw from the handle. And that will expose the spline of the thermal cartridge. Turn your water on to your handheld shower. And I usually use a meat thermometer and a cup and just let the flow run in there. Right now it's reading about 80. So that's holding right at 100 degrees. Turn the water off. Take your handle and you have your little dimple there. Line it up with the 100-degree marker on the valve itself. Thread your screw in, make sure it's nice and tight. Good smooth rotation. Pop your cap in.